Hey, let me show you some tips how you can speed up your Redmi A3. So first of all, I can recommend you to go into the settings. Now from this, we'll have to scroll all the way down and go into the system. And now from this, it's actually highly recommended to use the memory extension. As default, you can actually get 1 gigs of the RAM. I mean, the additional RAM. So it's actually recommended to get the 3 gigs. And after this, you have to go and reboot. So in this smartphone, as default, we've got the 3 gigs, but if you select the additional 3, you will actually get the 6 gigs of the RAM. Next, when you are here, you can also open the developer options and scroll down all the way down and reduce the animation effect. So you have to keep scrolling until we find the window, transition, and animator scale. And from the 1x go into the 0.x. So now everything will be open and close a little bit faster. Take a look. As you can see now it goes definitely faster. From this, it's also very important to update your system to get the latest version of your Android. And after this, additionally, you can also use this option, the Dura Speed. It actually putting some apps that we are not using or we are using not often into the, it's actually restrict from the background usage. So you have to click on the switcher and now pick this app that you want to actually restrict from running in the background. So they are not going to take your RAM memory. And also it's useful to delete some apps if you are not using some of them. Like for example, if I'm not using, for example, this booking.com, I can just uninstall this application. And at the end, you can also increase the refresh rate of your display. So every like scrolling effect looks definitely smoother. So you have to go to the display. From this, you have to scroll down and select 90 Hz instead of the 60. And additionally, you can also check if the battery is actually turned onto the normal mode instead of the battery saver. So just be sure that you turn off the battery saver and your phone is actually running on the highest speed. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.